Made it to the Stephen J. Ireland Memorial Depot. I'm with my mom. Sitting out here relaxing. We're still here in Fort Madison. It's beautiful. Nice. Check this out. We'll go take a walk around and check out the platform. Hey, there's a railfan camera around here somewhere too. I gotta look up where that is in a minute. Well, I might find it too. Fort Madison, Iowa. It's pretty nice. The sun's shining. It's a lot of little patches of blue sky out there. I see some blue sky coming. See that? There it is. Couldn't ask for anything more. Wow, so that's pretty neat. Let's go up there and look, Mom. Tremendous. Mom's beautiful today. Cool, man. We're gonna go check out that caboose, go around this thing, and we'll go get that train. Here we go, guys. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Sound down the line. California train. Beautiful, guys. Pesos, pesos, pesos. Pesos. Let's go. It's a good deal. It's California trains, guys. It's well, California. It's pretty badass. Really beautiful dock, Mom. Look at this. She's gonna go out there and check it out. I have to do so myself. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. My goodness. It's windy though. I'm telling you guys what, it's freezing. Yes, the mighty Mississippi. Yeah, it looks like it. Wow, guys. Oh, look. I found one. Hey, let's do this. Guys, the windows of opportunity here and there. All kinds of windows of opportunity. So cool. Cool, guys. It's pretty. Look, the historical society here. It's like a little gift shop down here. Hey, we'll go in this gift shop at the end and check it out.
Okay.
All right. For now, let's take a little tour around ourselves. There we go. Let's go, Hawks. Local pride in their teams. This old display is nice. It's pretty. Beautiful, peaceful day. It's really pretty. Too cool, guys.
You know, but basically the fountain and the gazebo.
You got a fountain over here.
Yeah, we'll do that next.
I'm feeling good, guys. I really love to be next to the tracks. I'm at peace.
Here's the Amtrak.
All right, let's go right now. Going to Florida.
Fort Madison Station.
Yes.
We can get Amtrak and come here.
I tell you, that thing about Iowa is this is a bit of a crossroads right here. All your trains that go through Indiana, where we were in our episode, where we were at that Rail Fan Inn. Over there in Napanee, that's right. All the trains from Napanee come over here. That one BNSF I saw in Napanee comes down this line right here. Right, you guys, let's go in the caboose. It's open for us today. Jake's excited. See the East Coast, fellas. We've got LA trains come through here, not so many Florida trains. That's actually on the other side of the coast. Florida trains go through West Virginia. Nito Frito.
Check out.
Mom's excited. Okay. Oh, look at this, like being in an army tank almost, huh? Like a yellow submarine. Whoa, guys, welcome to the caboose, Fort Madison. Oh, look, Mom's even.
This is their bathroom.
Hey, mark this one off my bucket list, guys. One of many Jack's cabooses. I got a lot of them now. Got a lot of them in my episodes now. Man, remember them all?
Preserved.
Yes, I feel you, right? Here we go, some interesting facts and notions.
Here's where they slept. Here's their bedding.
Oh, yeah. That's back when they had watch crews, brakemen, a couple engineers, need your break and shifts. All kinds of beautiful things. See, I am impressed.
Do you want to drink this one?
Wow. Look, hey, some pictures of it. For the Jack. Down the Jack. Guys, man, wow. This really got a spirit to it. You know, just when I did that, I really felt like I was there for a second. Wow. The Jack. Down the Jack. Really cool. Who's maintained by the North? Historical Society. Oh, look, the lights are on. Oh, that is so majestic. We are actually a part of this moving history. Woo! Yeehaw! Oh! Wow, beautiful. Look at this, all the old parts and manufacturing pieces. What's up, guys? Smash that like button. More interesting content like this. Wood burning stove back in the day. Keep this place hot. Actually, in fact, too hot sometimes. They put a whole steam kettle up on top and you get a good amount of moisture in here too. Yeah, look at this old tiling. It almost looks like the old tiling you would see at those old bowling alleys from back in the day. Must have been in the 70s. Looking 70s on that tile. Prior to that, you just had wood. It looks like I got the green, the kind of green right here. It's pretty nice. Look at this. Gee whiz, wow. Man, it's the first time I've ever sat up in one of these, guys. It's really nice. Mom. Oh, look at that. This, you can really see down the line of cars from this. Going down those mountain passes, whenever there was a curve ahead, they'd have to look at all the cars and make sure no hoppers. Alright, guys, stay safe. So, there's a lot of cool things to do in Iowa. Might be splitting these episodes up. I don't know how long it'll be, but alright, thanks for staying tuned. Look at this. Want me to turn it? Oh, maybe it's for this light. Let's see. Nah, it's out. He's replaced. Okay. Alright. Well, it's real safe. Be safe. Watch your step. Trip, slips, and balls. And wear your helmets, motorcycle riders. Pretty cool. Whoa. I'm gonna go this way, guys. I got some, wanna break my own copyright. Guy playing music, guy playing music. I'm gonna talk over this way. Oh, it's back. The same old thing. Cool, guys. Action. Ah, here she goes, rolling again. We were jabberjawing. I missed it go off. It's alright. This railroad ain't going nowhere, guys. Let's go on and pick up some tanks. Brandon tanks on these flatbeds. Is that right? Don't get help out on that. Train more effort. Adios, flatbed. Plenty more to see, guys. Well, come on around here, take a train to California. Hi. For the Jack Thomas.